In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Snapchat story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app, and then right here, all I have to do first is just record a short video or upload here a photo to start creating a story. And then in order to add a music here, all I have to do is right there find that music icon, then tap on that, and here I can select a song. I can go through those different playlists. I can tap at view all to see all the playlists. Also, I can go through popular, and here I can check a lot of other songs, or right here I can tap at search bar and search for specific song that I want to use. Here I can just tap at that song to add it to a story, and now then I can drag this audio row to select the specific part that I want to use in my Snap story, and then I can check mark, and it brings up that music widget. I can expand it, I can bring it over here or in that place, so I can change its position, its size, I can rotate it, I can even move it out of the screen, and then I can continue creating my snap as I normally would, and then all I have to do is just hit on send to and select a person whom I want to send this story. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.